BitMEX Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to BitMEX are in the description below. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth review of BitMEX, focusing on its features, who it's best suited for, and my overall experience using the platform. BitMEX is a leading crypto derivatives exchange, primarily known for offering futures trading with high leverage options. It's designed for experienced traders looking to maximize their trading potential with up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin and other crypto pairs. This makes BitMEX an ideal platform for professionals or those with a high risk tolerance who understand the complexities of trading on margin. One of the standout features of BitMEX is its liquidity and tight spreads, especially for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This makes it an excellent platform for day traders who rely on the ability to enter and exit positions quickly. The platform also supports a range of derivatives products like perpetual contracts, which allow users to trade without worrying about expiration dates, and traditional futures contracts. However, BitMEX isn't the most user-friendly platform for beginners. The interface can be overwhelming, with a steep learning curve if you're new to trading crypto derivatives. You'll need a solid understanding of margin trading and the risks involved, particularly when dealing with leverage. The platform does offer advanced charting tools and a high degree of customization, but these features are really geared toward professional traders. Security-wise, BitMEX employs two-factor authentication, 2FA, and has a strong reputation for safeguarding funds with cold storage for a majority of user assets. That said, there have been some regulatory challenges in the past, so it's important to stay updated on their legal standing in your region. To sum it up, BitMEX is best for professional crypto traders or those who are comfortable with advanced features and high leverage. If you're new to trading or don't have a high risk tolerance, you might want to look at other platforms. Check out the links in the description to explore BitMEX for yourself.